package. Oh, you see my address? It's a 7. Oosh. Okay, guys, so I have the G7 Mark II. If you guys haven't saw the vlog where I broke it, I'm gonna insert it here. It was on my Vegas trip. I broke my camera, and literally this is the only pieces I have left of my tripod. It was on the tripod when it broke, so I do not want to relive it. But I shipped my camera to Canon. Instead of them repairing it, they sent me a new camera. They sent me the G7 PowerShot Mark III, and this is the box that it came in. Now the instructions. So they said this on the note they give me. Oh, okay. So on the note, it has a little. It says this is blah blah blah. New or factory refurbished product in exchange for my old one. So, and another thing, if you guys gonna ship it to Canon, do not put your battery or your SIM card or any accessories, because I did that. I thought this was me back my camera, but they said they're gonna ship it separately, my SIM card and stuff. So they took everything else. So I am about to open it. I wish it came in the regular box. Like, I still have my G7 Mark II box. I wish it came in a box like this, but it didn't. So let's open this and see. So as soon as I open it, it comes with all of, what is this? Papers, instructions. It has a warranty. It says a year warranty on this bad boy. So I have this. Okay. It comes with a battery. Oh, comes a little. Okay. That's the battery and the charger. I need to charge this. And it does not come with a SIM card, guys. And since this is the Mark III shoots in 4K, and also it gives you the opportunity to do slow motion. So I will need a different SIM card, or I think you still use mine, but 4K does take a lot more. 4K does take a lot of more space, so whatever. And they wrap it all in bubble wrap. So, oh my god, I have been vlogging on my phone all this time since my camera broke. So this is, it looks exactly the same as the Mark II, but this is a little smaller. This is how it looks. Oh, that's a cute picture. Okay, I got my little thumbnail. Okay, so that's how it looks. I can flip it open, and everyone knows that's very important to me, that I can be able to flip it open, so when I vlog I can see myself. I really look up and to the side. And another feature that I really like about this camera, and okay, so the other cool feature I like about this camera is actually two things I really like. I like that I'm able to put a mic in here. On this side I can put a mic. And also I can charge the camera without even charging the battery. I have to buy the port, but that's, yeah, I've been doing research about this camera right before, when they told me that I was sending the Mark III, I did my research on it. One thing, when I bought my Mark II, I vlogged the whole experience, and initially I was gonna buy this one, but this one is a 7. Oosh. Okay, it didn't fall. Oh my god, I need a case. Okay. Alright, so back what I was saying. Initially when I first bought the Mark II, I wanted this one, but this was it cost a little bit more. It was $750. I think the other one's $650. Like, it's only about $100 difference, but I was like, I'd rather, you know, I was still new. I'm still new, fairly new with YouTube. But I was like, I'd rather just spend the $600. But yeah, so now I finally got the Mark III. I'm excited. It kind of looks like the screen is bigger than the Mark too, just for me looking at it now. So that's it for my unboxing of my camera. I'm so excited. I really can't wait to try the features of the using in 4K and also the slow motion feature. I do need to get a bigger memory card. The memory card I do have is 125. I need at least 256. So yeah, I'm so excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Ooh. So yeah, I'm so excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.